Good morning, students. I am Naveen Kumar, teacher of social science. Now, in history of class 8, chapter 3, we will discuss next topic, that is how was indigo cultivated. बच्चों, पिछले क्लास में हम लोग डिस्कस किए थे कि किन कारणों से ब्रिटेन इंडिया के तरफ टर्न हुआ इंडिगो के लिए. Why British turn to India for indigo? Reasons already we have discussed in last class. Now in this class we will discuss how was indigo cultivated. किस तरह से इंडिगो की खेती की जाती थी. Under this, first thing, there were two main systems of indigo cultivation. First, निज, second, रैती. ये दो तरीके थे. Second thing, planters produced indigo in the land that he directly controlled. Third thing, he bought the land either from other zamindars or rented it and produced indigo by directly employing hard labor or laborers. बच्चों, इस तरह से ये इंडिगो की खेती दो तरीके से की जाती थी. सबसे पहली बात ये, अब विद इन द निज सिस्टम के अंदर अभी हम कुछ बातों को डिस्कस किए. और another thing, under the niche system, that there was some problems behind the niche system or under the niche system. First problem was there was the lack of larger land area. Planters required more larger areas in blocks, enclosed blocks, to increase the plantation. But there was the lack of such type of land. Second main problem was that the indigo cultivation required larger number of laborers and large number of ploughs and bullocks for the indigo plantations. But third thing, but since the seasons of indigo and rice cultivation was almost same, so it was difficult to get adequate number of laborers, ploughs and bullocks, because all were engaged in rice field or rice cultivation. So till 19th century, another thing, till 19th century or the late 19th century, planters' interest to invest in indigo plantations began to decrease. इस तरह से ये सब समस्याएं इसके साथ थी, निज कल्टीवेशन सिस्टम के साथ. एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट कल्टीवेशन सिस्टम, that was the Raiti system, which we will discuss in next class. Thank you.